Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. हमने एक वीडियो बनाई थी on Deloitte hiring process and we have got such a good response on that. Also, few of you commented and asked for a video on Deloitte interview questions. So, my team and I thought, why not create a video on it? For that, we spoke to some of the hired candidates to find out the actual questions asked during their job interview at Deloitte. और आज की वीडियो उन सब के लिए है जो Deloitte का इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना चाहते हैं. In this video, we will talk about what kind of questions do they ask, how you can prepare better. Let's find out. Now, I have divided the video in these sections. Where to apply for jobs at Deloitte, Deloitte recruitment process, technical interview questions asked at Deloitte, HR interview questions asked at Deloitte, a bonus tip to crack the interview rounds. If you are short on time but find this video and our channel helpful, then make sure you save it for later. And of course, if you feel I've missed anything, do not hesitate to drop your suggestions in the comments. तो अगर आपको भी Deloitte में जॉब चाहिए, तो इन 3 वेज से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Via job portals like Internshala, walk-in interviews which are conducted at specific locations, and most important and popular way is via Deloitte's official career page. Let me tell you how you can do that. First, visit Deloitte's career page, then search for a job role that matches your interests. You can apply filters like location and keywords like consulting, audit, etc. to find a suitable job opportunity. Once you find a job role that suits you, fill out the application form with your personal details, qualifications, and work experience. After that, submit the application. The HR team will review it, and if you are selected, then you will be invited for the next stage of hiring process. Now, let's talk about the Deloitte's recruitment process. Deloitte के hiring process में total 4 rounds हैं. The first round is an online assessment round. The test has 4 sections. Section 1, aptitude and logical reasoning. This section has 20 questions that you have to finish in 25 minutes. The questions are based on basic maths, puzzles and logical thinking. Section 2, verbal aptitude. ये section आपकी English को test करेगा. There are 10 questions in this section that are based on error correction, sentence structure, tenses and more. Section 3, technical assessment, MCQ based. इस राउंड में 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे that will test your domain knowledge. For example, if you are applying for a software development role, the questions will be based on fundamental concepts like operating system, OOPS, database management, networking, etc. And finally, सबसे interesting part, skill based technical assessment. इस सेक्शन में आपको 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. आपको ये 30 मिनट्स के अंदर सॉल्व करने होंगे. There's no negative marking in the tests, but candidate must still meet the required cutoff to move forward. Once you meet the required cutoff in the assessment, then you will be shortlisted for the interview rounds at Deloitte. In the communication round, आपकी English language skills assess की जाती हैं. Basically, this test assesses your communication abilities, especially reading, writing and speaking skills. इसमें आपको अलग-अलग formats के क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे जैसे कि reading comprehensions, words usage, jumble sentences, story retelling. If you clear the online aptitude test, then you will be invited for the group discussion or jam round. जैम और जस्ट अ मिनट राउंड में आपको एक टॉपिक मिलेगा and you will have to speak on it for a minute. And in this round, the recruiters will focus on your communication and presentation skills. You will be divided into small groups and each will have to speak on a given topic for a minute. Here are some tips shared by Deloitte's hiring team to help you ace your GDs and group presentations. Number 1, be confident. Talk about your ideas and problems confidently. Number 2, be respectful. It's a group discussion, so respect everyone's ideas and opinions. You should also encourage and support other speakers. Number 3, be collaborative. Support your teammates and let everyone answer at least one question. और अगर आप consulting position के लिए apply कर रहे हैं, then there will be a case interview, which is one of the most popular interview rounds at Deloitte. इसमें आपको एक case study दी जाएगी on a hypothetical or real-time business problem, and you will have to analyze it and present your recommendation to the panel. The good news is that you can practice Deloitte's case study on their official website. I've added the link in the description box, so do check it out. इस राउंड में सबसे important है to let the interviewer know your thought process. आपको उन्हें अच्छे से explain करना होगा कि आप problem को कैसे approach कर रहे हैं और आप क्या challenges identify कर पा रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या solution सोच रहे हैं और कैसे आप final recommendation तक पहुंचे हैं. Deloitte के case study interview को crack करने के लिए I have some tips for you, so let's take a look at them. Take notes throughout the interview and take time to gather your thoughts. There's no need to rush into answering. थोड़ा time लेने से आपको सोचने का मौका मिलेगा और ज़्यादा thoughts और clear responses दे पाओगे. Be sure you understand questions before you answer it. Present your answer clearly so that it is easy to understand. If you want more detailed tips on both these rounds, then you can check out the article linked in the description box below. The last round of the hiring process is interview round. Deloitte के interview process में 2 rounds होते हैं. Technical interview round, HR round. But before the interview rounds, you will have a phone call or in-person chat with someone from the talent acquisition team. This step is more like a friendly introduction. It's your chance to learn more about the role and the company. So feel free to ask whatever questions you have. Now, let's talk about the interview rounds. So first, you will be invited for the technical interview, depending on the role that you have applied for. This could be a one-on-one interview, a panel interview, or a case study. This round is all about assessing your technical skills and seeing if you are a good fit for the role, the team, and the Deloitte's work culture. Now that you know all the Deloitte's recruitment process, let's dive into some of the most commonly asked technical questions. As you know, the technical questions will vary depending on the role you are applying for. But to give you a head start, I have got some questions specially for the software development role. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of these questions along with the answers. This way, you will have them handy while preparing for the interview. We also have a blog that lists in the most important Deloitte questions and the sample answers. Check the link in the description box to go through them. Now, let's also take a look at the HR interview questions asked at Deloitte. In this round, the hiring team will assess how well you fit for Deloitte's work culture. They'll evaluate your strengths, interpersonal skills, and overall cultural fitness. Let's check out a few sample questions from the career page. I have given a few sample answers to these questions. These answers are only for you to understand how to answer such questions, so please do memorize them. अब commonly asked questions तो आपने देख लिए, but there are so many candidates applying for the jobs, तो stand out कैसे करोगे? Don't worry, we have got you covered for that as well. Deloitte की hiring team से हमने आपके लिए कुछ interview tips gather किए हैं, which will help you ace the interview. Do your homework. Deloitte ही नहीं, आप किसी भी कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, this is the most important tip we can give you. Research about the company in detail, Deloitte के clients, उनकी services, recent news, departments, the technologies they use, and most importantly, research about the role that you are applying for. इसमें interviewer will see that you are proactive and interested in working with the company. Dress for business. Deloitte के interviews में it's best to wear business formals or business casuals. Along with dressing sharp, maintain good eye contact with the interviewer and try to stay calm and composed throughout the interview. Highlight your skills and qualifications. During the interview, आपको अच्छे से highlight करना होगा कि आपकी qualification और experience कैसे आपको इस role के लिए perfect fit बनाते हैं. You basically have to tell them why they should hire you. Ask questions. Don't think of the interview as a one-way street where the interviewer can only ask you questions. आप भी interview से अपने questions पूछ सकते हैं. This will show them कि आप कितने proactive हैं and at the same time, it will help you understand कि Deloitte आपके लिए right fit है या नहीं. You can ask them questions like, and with that, we have covered all the important details you need to know about Deloitte's hiring process and how to crack the interviews. Both this video and our previous one have been created to give you everything that you need to know. So if you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, stay tuned for upcoming videos like EY recruitment process and meta recruitment process. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.